Welcome to Bake Bliss Diaries, where every recipe is baked with love, happiness, and a little magic. Today, we're making the cutest pastries, cupcakes, and buttery croissants, perfect for cozy days and sweet cravings.
Baking starts with simple ingredients: soft flour, golden butter, fresh eggs, and just the right amount of sweetness. We gently mix and fold the dough, taking our time. Pastry dough loves patience. Rolling croissants is like creating tiny works of art. Each one is shaped by hand, ready to full bursts. Into the oven they go. The kitchen fills with warmth, sweet aromas, and comfort. This is the moment where magic truly happens.
Comes the fun part, decorating. Soft frostings, sweet toppings, and a final touch of love. Because baking is not just food, it's a feeling. Baking with me today. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling, and spread love, one pastry at a time.